Good morning, Motorcycle Vision viewers. This has been a very interesting morning for me so far. Let me explain this one to you, because this is different. So, I'm doing my first group ride ever. They leave at, I think, 10:15, 8:30 they asked you to go. 7 a.m. I'm up, I'm out there. Yesterday I checked my bike, I checked the I checked the oil, I checked the gas, filled it, bought an extra tank. If I run out of gas, I'll have it. I had the brakes checked. I checked everything except the air, which showed me was low. It wasn't disastrously low, but it was a little low. So I said in the morning, I'll wake up early, and by about 7:30 I'll go to the gas station, and I'll take myself to, I'll fill it up and I'll be good. Get in this morning, tire pressure is zero. So, I call AAA. By the way, hashtag AAA really sucks. I call AAA. Now, it's not even just regular AAA. I pay a whole lot extra because it's AAA Gold. It's AAA Gold for a motorcycle. It's everything, okay? Oh, you have a flat tire? We can't do that, but we'll tow you. I'm like, what are you towing me? I don't need to be towed. I just need air. Oh, okay, we'll put you on hold and we'll see what we can find. Leave me on hold for 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Then they come back. Nope, all we can do is air. Can't do anything. All we can do is tow you. Nothing else. Then I scramble and find an old air pump. Air pump doesn't work. I hook it to my tire. It says you have 60 pounds of pressure. Imagine that. 60 on a motorcycle tire. So anyway, it says I have 60. I just go with another gauge. The other gauge says, no, you have 4. So I spend 40 minutes pumping that sucker, and here we are coming up now. Right at the top is where they're getting ready to depart, and we arrive. We're up to an illustrious start. So hopefully that was our hiccup for the day. Hopefully we're done hiccuping, and we're good. All right, guys, so what you're seeing here is this is my first time doing a group ride. It's a sponsored American Motorcycle Association / High Riders ride. Started off this day, found out my valve is loose in the front tire. I was about to drop out and somebody had a thing, and I don't even know what the thing is. Otherwise I would tell you what the thing is, but they did something to my valve and they've slowed the leak. And they tell me I will be fine for the ride. Very nervous. I don't know if the bike's going to make it. I don't want to come home in an ambulance or a tow truck, to be honest with you. So I'm very nervous about it. But let's see. Yeah, I'm very nervous about this. It's not the ride that I'm nervous about. You don't trust your front tire. These guys know a lot more than me, and they said, no, your tire's going to be fine. I checked it. We put a thing in your thing, and now the thing is, I don't know, a valve thing to fix it. I'm like, okay. Thank you for the valve. I hope it works. So if all goes well, we're going to have some fun. It's a poker run. Oh my God, it's 90 degrees and I'm going to die.
Recording.
First poker run stop. So far my tire's holding up. God willing we'll be all right. This is the first stop. There's a lot of people running, but this is the group that I'm in. So I guess I got to go pick up my card and then we get to go back on the road again. So off I go. Okay, poker stop 2 completed. We're on our way to poker stop number 3. And then we head for the mountain part of the ride, which is the best part of the ride. I hope my tire doesn't ruin this day. Holy crap, I happen to be catching up on people. That's not my thing. My thing is, way back there in the distance saying, I'm lost. I think these people put me in the center of the group because they know I'm having the wheel problem, and I'm not new, but not seasoned. All right, here we are at Poker Run stop number 3. I'm group number 3. My tire's still round. That's a good thing. Let's see what happens. Wish me luck. Okay, this is where the real ride begins. Okay, we're back. My poker run continues to be horrendous. I've got a 2, a 5, an ace, and something else. Well, this was the dam stop. 1 stop left at a marina at Greenwood Lake. My tire, thank God, is still round. And it looks like a big piece of pollen just flew into my nose.